Hello students, welcome to Easy Study. In this video, we will see about current electricity. So we have know that electricity is the utmost important in the world, and we depend on electricity for doing our day-to-day life activity. For to avoid inconvenience in hospital, bank, offices, private institute, we use generators, inverters, and we use electric furnaces, electric motors, and several other instruments in the industries. And on which devices they run? They run on the electricity and electrical devices or appliances. Domestic appliances such as fridge, electric oven, mixer, fan, washing machine, vacuum cleaner, roti maker, they all run on electricity to save our time. Okay. And not only human beings, some animals also use electricity, such as fish, such as electric eel. They use electricity to catch their prey or self-defense also. Lightning strike is nothing but the huge amount of supply of electricity, and these all are the examples of electricity. They use electric power and run the devices. Okay. For generation of electricity, water is released from a dam at a higher level. Because of gravity, it falls down. On dam, water is stored at the higher place and it goes in the downward direction because of the gravitational force, and the big turbines here, they run or rotate because of that huge amount of water, and after the rotating or after the rotation, the electricity is produced here. Now what is potential and potential difference? In simple words, potential means capacity. Potential means capacity, and potential difference means difference between the capacities. Large capacity, medium, minimum capacity, or low capacity. So that is potential difference. So one example is given here. There are two plastic bottles. One is placed at the higher level, another at the lower level, and the same amount of water is stored in that plastic bottles. They are connected with a pipe and one clamp is attached to it. So both bottles are filled at same amount of water, by the same amount of water, but as you remove the clamp, the water starts flowing from A bottle towards B bottle. Why this happening? Because as this bottle is at the higher place, more gravity is running on it or working on it, because height is maximum here. So it is at the higher place and second one bottle is at the lower place. So the flow of water is from higher level to lower level. If you have seen river, the flow of water in the river is from the higher place to lower place. Big dams or streams, they also move from higher level to lower level. So this level is known as potential. This level is nothing but potential or capacity. This is at the higher potential and this is at the lower potential. And if we create this higher and lower potential, then and only then the flow is possible here. And after some time, if they get balanced, if they get at the same level, they goes at the same level, then the flow of water will be stopped. Okay, the flow of water will be stopped. Now Why it is stopping here? Because the levels of both the bottles is now same or equal. That's why this flow of water in the both bottles is stop now. Means when you created higher potential and lower potential, means difference here, then the flow is possible. And if the higher potential and lower potential are fulfilled, means they came at the same level, then there is no difference. So that's why the flow of water will be stopped here, and it is applicable at every condition. It is applicable at in the case of electricity also. Just like water, the flow of electric charges between 2 points depend on the kind of electric level at those points. This level is called electric potential. As we have seen about water, electricity is nothing change here. Electricity is also depend on two potentials, higher and lower, and that's why the electricity flows from one point to another, known as electric potential. Okay. So a positive charge flows from a point of higher potential to lower potential. Means whenever there is higher potential, it is always shown by positive. Means positive means more, and more means high here, and lower is negative. So positive charge is higher potential or positive place. We show it with the help of positive symbol or sign. So it represent higher potential, and negative it represent lower potential. Okay. We have seen earlier that electricity flow due to conduction of negatively charged electron. We know that electricity means flow of electrons only. Means electricity is caused due to flow of electrons. Now electrons flow from the point of lower potential to a higher potential. It is different condition here. In case of water flow from higher potential to lower potential, but electron has negative charge. That's why electron flow from lower potential to higher potential. Okay, this is vice versa. Means that this condition is totally opposite from water. Water flow from higher to lower, but electricity flow from lower to higher potential, that is electrons, because they are negatively charged. They flow from negative to positive. Okay. And if they fulfill the requirement, suppose here are lots of negatively charged electron in this pole or conductor, and if they are connected with wire with a positively charged conductor, then electron will flow from negative to positive. But at which amount and when it will stop? Whenever the flow of electron is fulfilled, or the number of electrons is same in both the conductor, then and only then the flow will be stopped. Okay, otherwise the flow will be continuously at the positive charge from negative charge. Okay, then what we have seen I will explain in Marathi. तर आपण काय बघितलं, करंट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी मध्ये आपण डिफरंट फील्ड्स मध्ये इलेक्ट्रिसिटी यूज होते. नंतर आपण एक एक्झाम्पल बघितलं होतं पोटेन्शियल अँड पोटेन्शियल डिफरन्स. पोटेन्शियल मीन्स कपॅसिटी, दोन प्लास्टिक बॉटल्स घेतले होते, एकामध्ये हायर लेवलवर वॉटर घेतलं होतं आणि हायर लेवलपासून लोअर लेवलला फ्लो चालू होता, कारण की वॉटरची हे प्रॉपर्टी आहे, दिस इज द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ वॉटर टू फ्लो फ्रॉम हायर लेवल टू लोअर लेवल. मोठ्या लेवलपासून म्हणजे उंचावरील लेवलपासून जास्त लेवलपासून कमी लेवलपर्यंत वाहण्याची प्रोसेस म्हणजे गुणधर्म प्रॉपर्टी हे वॉटरमध्ये आहे. आणि ते कुठपर्यंत वाहणार, जोपर्यंत हे लेवल पूर्ण सेम होणार नाही. सेम झालं काय थांबून जाते. ओके, आपण पाहिलेलं ना रिव्हरमध्ये वरून पाणी येत असते खालपर्यंत आणि एका जागी पाणी खूप स्थिर राहते, कारण की तिथे मग रिव्हर कशी असते, प्लेन, तर तेव्हा पाणी खूप स्लो होऊन जाते. ओके, अशीच कंडिशन इलेक्ट्रॉन सोबत सुद्धा, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी सोबत सुद्धा आहे. इलेक्ट्रिसिटी सुद्धा हायर पोटेन्शियल टू लोअर पोटेन्शियल फ्लो करते, पण इलेक्ट्रॉन्स म्हणजे इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, फ्लो ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स इज इलेक्ट्रिसिटी अँड चार्ज ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स इज निगेटिव्ह. सो निगेटिव्ह मीन्स लो, तर लोअर पोटेन्शियल कडून हायर पोटेन्शियलकडे इलेक्ट्रिसिटी फ्लो करते. याच उलट आहे वॉटरच्या कंडिशनमध्ये पॉझिटिव्ह टू निगेटिव्ह, बट इलेक्ट्रॉनच्या कंडिशनमध्ये निगेटिव्ह टू पॉझिटिव्ह, बिकॉज इलेक्ट्रॉन हे निगेटिव्ह चार्जेस आहे. म्हणून कमी पोटेन्शियल लोअर पोटेन्शियल टू हायर पोटेन्शियल इलेक्ट्रॉन फ्लो करत असतात. ओके, देन वी विल सी पोटेन्शियल डिफरन्स ऑफ अ सेल. आता सेलमध्ये पोटेन्शियल डिफरन्स म्हणजे काय? The difference in potential between positive and negative terminal of the cell is potential difference of that cell. This is the definition of potential difference of the cell. कॅपॅसिटी हे किती फरक आहे कॅपॅसिटीमध्ये, कशाच्या, सेलच्या, कायच्यामध्ये, पॉझिटिव्ह आणि निगेटिव्ह टर्मिनलमध्ये, त्याला म्हणतात पोटेन्शियल डिफरन्स ऑफ द सेल. द डिफरन्स बिटवीन द पॉझिटिव्ह अँड निगेटिव्ह पोटेन्शियल इज नोन ॲज पोटेन्शियल डिफरन्स ऑफ दॅट सेल. तर त्या दोन टर्मिनलमध्ये किती कॅपॅसिटी आहे, कमी कॅपॅसिटी म्हणजे कमी इलेक्ट्रॉनची कॅपॅसिटी ठेवली तर त्याला छोटासा सेल म्हणतो आपण, लहानवाला, कमी वॅटचा. मोठा सेल असेल तर याचा मिनिंग काय, त्याच्यामध्ये जास्त पोटेन्शियल आहे दोन्ही टर्मिनलमध्ये, इथे पॉझिटिव्हमध्ये आणि निगेटिव्हमध्ये. तर याला म्हणतात potential difference of that cell. The potential difference sets the electron in motion and result in the flow of electricity through a conducting wire and connected to the two ends of the cell. आता सेलमध्ये काय असते माहिती आहे का, केमिकल्स भरलेले असतात. इन द सेल देर आर लॉट्स ऑफ केमिकल फिल्ड इन इट. सो दिस इज पॉझिटिव्ह चार्ज ऑफ द सेल अँड दिस इज निगेटिव्ह चार्ज ऑफ द सेल. अँड बिकॉज ऑफ the chemical reaction is happening in the cell always, and this negative electron starts growing in number, so they move from negative to positive, and if we put one bulb here then it will glow because of that flow of electrons. So electricity is generated here up to the power of chemicals. When the power of chemicals is vanished, the potential is equal in both these terminals, and after equal the flow of electricity will be stopped. The amount of work done to carry a unit positive charge from point A to point B is called the electric potential difference between the 2 points. Means if there are 2 points A and B and there is potential difference, means difference between these 2 points, and if the flow is going there, that is work is done here. So that amount of work is known as potential difference between the 2 points, and potential difference is work upon total charge transferred, how many charges transferred. So unit of potential difference is V, it is work for W, and charge is Q, it is representation. So 1 volt is equals to 1 joule, joule is the unit of work, upon 1 coulomb, coulomb is unit of charge. So the unit of potential difference in SI system is volt. Okay, so in this condition the electricity will be flow. Okay, what we have seen? We have seen that what is mean by potential and potential difference. Potential means capacity. Then flow of electron is from negative charge to positive charge, because electrons are negatively charged particles. They flow from negative to positive. Then you have seen potential difference of cell. Inside cell there are some chemicals present. They react with each other and electrons production is start there, and these electrons create potential difference and they flow from negative to positive, and in such a manner electricity is produced inside the cell. Then we have seen potential difference is work upon total charge, and SI unit of potential difference is volt. Okay, so next topic we will see in next video. Okay, if you like video, then like, share and subscribe within your friends. Okay, thank you, bye.